Welcome students. Let's begin with our first lesson of computer binary number systems. Computers communicate in a language that consists of zeros and one, which is called the binary number system. Computers convert text into numbers and vice versa to communicate. So in short, what it means is whatever you type on your keyboard, English, Hindi, Marathi, numbers, Tamil, Telugu, your computer just does not understand anything. Then what does it understand? It understands the language of zeros and one. Whenever you press a key on a keyboard, what happens is a circuit gets completed. Once the circuit is completed, a voltage is developed. If this voltage is 5 volts or more than 5 volts, computer will consider it as 1. And if the voltage developed is less than 5 volts or it is 0, then the computer will consider it as 0. Now this is the language that the computer understands, the language of 0 and 1. Since 0 and 1 are two numbers, they are called as binary digits. Binary means 2. So 2 digits is called as binary digits. And so the name is bits. When 4 bits come together, it is called one nibble. When 8 bits come together, it is called as one byte. When 1024 bytes come together, it is called as 1 kilobyte. When 1024 kilobytes come together, it is called as 1 megabyte. When 1024 megabytes come together, it is called as 1 gigabyte. When 1024 gigabyte comes together, it is called as 1 terabyte. When 1024 terabyte come together, it becomes 1 petabyte. When 1024 petabyte comes together, it is called as exabyte. And when 1024 exabyte comes together, it becomes 1 zettabyte. And when 1024 zettabytes come together, it is called as yottabyte. Number system. Computers communicate with each other using a number system. Unicode is a standard format used for encoding characters. Computer understands only numbers. It stores text, letters, and characters by assigning a number to it. Unicode can support 1 million characters. It represents a single encoding scheme for all languages and characters, numbers, symbols and characters of all languages. It starts with U plus and hexadecimal notation. Unicode ranges U plus 4 times 0 to U plus 104 times F. There are 3 encoding formats: UTF-8, UTF-16 and UTF-32. The computer defines 4 number systems, namely decimal number system, which ranges from 0 to 9, whose base is 10. Then comes binary number system, which is 0 and 1, which has a base of 2. Octal numbers, which range from 0 to 7. So octal consists of 8 numbers. Then comes hexadecimal numbers. Hexadecimal numbers are 16 in all. It ranges from 0 to 9 and A to F. Students, we just saw the fundamentals of binary numbers. We'll continue the rest in our next session, where we learn the conversion of binary to decimal and the conversion of decimal to binary. Till then, stay at home, stay healthy. See you soon in the next session. Till then, goodbye.